Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, November 29th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. It's Small Business Saturday, and this time of year we're just super busy over at the soap shop. But I usually do a Friday night live and talk about QuickSilver's Flippin' Friday specials. And yesterday we spent all day packing up orders for the soap, and then in the evening we went to an Anna Shriner's Temple fundraiser that they have, which was really nice. So I just didn't do a video last night. So I wanted to come on here this morning and talk about Flippin' Friday, the specials that they have. And I'll leave links down below this video for all this stuff. But they have a 1 gram PAMP gold bar. All right, this is branded for Barbie. So if you know any Barbie collectors, Barbie doll collectors, or Barbie doll lovers, this is something that would make a great gift. All right, it's 1 gram. It's packaged really nicely, and it's a gold bar, so it could make a really great collectible gift for somebody who is into Barbies, or if you have, nieces or granddaughters, even your own daughters. Our daughters are old now, or older, and they're not into Barbie dolls anymore, but I can tell you that if they were children, this would be something that I'd get them. It's a really nice gift, and it's something that's going to go up in value over time. Right? It's a real tangible asset. So that's really cool that they have that. And then they have a half-ounce hand-poured silver cross right now that is on sale. And they minted, actually the Barbie gold bar, I think they minted like 5,000 of them. And I'm not really sure about the cross. But these are like limited edition pieces, all right? So I'll leave links down below, all that. I'll also leave coupon codes, because for Small Business Saturday, QuickSilver is giving discounts up to $100 depending on how much you purchase. All right, so you can save $5, $25, and $100 depending on how much you purchase. And I'll leave the coupon codes for that down below this video. But I just wanted to hop on here and talk to you about that. I'll probably go live tonight and do a video about this stuff and talk to you about a new capture page funnel system that I'm having built for QuickSilver. All right, so I'll give you information on that. Yeah, lots of cool things coming up, especially going into 2026. It's going to be a good year. I have a whole new, it's going to be a whole new way that I market QuickSilver. Not in the sense of I'm going to be doing different marketing techniques. I'm still going to be doing Facebook and YouTube and direct mail, but I'm going to have a new funnel system, and we're going to open up a few more income streams by having this funnel system, all right, to where you can make up to $128 per person just on this one new income stream that is part of the funnel system. All right, so I'm super excited about that, and I'll share that with you pretty soon. I'm working on the funnel, and I hope to have it up. I don't know. I'd love to say this evening, but I don't think that's going to happen. But it'll be within the next couple of days. After today at the soap shop, we have Cyber Monday, and then I'll have Sunday and Monday. I'll be working on getting this funnel up and ready so I can share it with everybody. So I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So again, I'll leave all the links down below this. Check them out. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm always here to help you out. And I hope you have an awesome day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.